Alright, so for this project, we're going to be creating a 3D paper mache letter, and you can see on this example that they did their initial, so you can either do your first initial or your last initial today, and then we're going to paper mache the letter, and then we're going to do a technique called paper quilling on top. Okay, so that's kind of an example of what it will look like when it's done. And I've posted examples in your Google Classroom for you. Okay, so for today, just so that you can kind of see what we're doing, because I'm going to have to demonstrate on a big table today, so it's going to be hard for you to see. I gave you a big piece of whiteboard. I'm going to use a tiny little piece of paper so that you can see on my camera, but the first thing that you need to do is fold it in half, which is why I folded it already for you. And then you're going to draw your initial. Okay, so just for example, I'm going to draw C. Okay, and I need you to draw it as big as you possibly can. All right. Okay, so pretend like I'm done, and I like it that way. Now, if you want to do it in a different style, say like you want to do like something fancy. Okay, you can do whatever you want. All right. Okay, so there's my C. And the next thing that you need to do, and remember this is a little piece of paper, yours is going to be big, is you just need to set your paper cups on your letter and just make sure that it fits all the way around on your letter. So for example, if you have like an R and you have the loop right here at the top, you just need to make sure that your cup fits at the biggest part all the way around your letter, okay? And I'll tell you why in just a second. All right, so when you're done, then you're going to cut it out. So let me get some scissors. You're going to cut out your letter, and you're going to cut out both at the same time so that your letters are exactly the same. And I'm going to do this fast for purposes of this video for you. Okay? So reminder, this is on your big piece of poster board. And you do need to keep the extra pieces. Do keep the extra pieces. Alright, so now you should have two letters that are exactly the same size. Alright? Now, the rest of what you need to do today is you're just going to take one of the letters, just one, and you're going to attach cups all the way around it, okay? So, it doesn't matter which way you do it. It could be this way. I'm going to recommend you do it this way, okay, because you can use your tape. So, you're going to tape, and you're going to tape cups all the way around your letter, and I would space them maybe like that far apart, like an inch or two apart, because we're using this as like the foundation for our paper mache project. So tape your cups down that way, and then we're eventually going to attach our cups at the top as well. So then we kind of create that base for our three-dimensional letter. All right. Now, I forgot to pack glue in your packets, so if you don't have glue, let me know. But what you will do to finish is you will add glue to the top, and then you will set your letter on and you will let it dry overnight. Okay, so that's kind of your next step. So if you do not have glue, let me know and I will run some to you today. But otherwise, you're going to tape the bottom all the way around your letter, and then you're going to glue, set your letter on top, and you're going to let that dry overnight so that it's able to set up and we're ready to move on tomorrow. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you need any glue, and we will move on tomorrow.